guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, then welcome to my channel. My name is Kimberly, and in today's video I do this mauve pink eyeshadow makeup look for you guys. And yeah, so if you guys want to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so starting out, I am just putting my Tarte Shape Tape all over my eyes and blending that out just to act as a base. Now going in with my Winky Lux Kitten palette, I'm taking this shade right here, which is the shade Duchess, and I'm just putting that all over my lid so the colors blend out very smoothly. And now I'm dancing. Now I'm going in with my Kylie Cosmetics Royal Peach palette, and I'm just putting this color as my transition shade and just blending that out. Blend, blend, blend. Now I'm taking this pink color and I'm just putting that all over my lid and blending it into my crease. And then I'm taking this other color again and just deepening my crease a little bit and blending, blending, blending. Now I'm taking this shimmery pink color and I'm just putting that directly on my lid and kind of packing that on there. My camera ran out of memory, so I already put this color right here from the Winky Lux palette. I already put that in each corner right here, and then kind of like a halo eye effect, and then I just blended it in. So yeah, that is what you missed. Now back to the tutorial. Okay, so taking that shimmery pink again, I'm just blending everything together really well. And then I am taking the purple shade from the Winky Lux palette again, or the Kittens palette again, and I'm just putting that in the corners of my eyes and just deepening that. I'm putting that in the outer V and the inner corners of my eyes. And I'm just really deepening that color right there just so it has a really pretty ombre halo effect. Now I'm using the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm using the shimmery pink color, and I'm just going to put some glitter glue in the center of my eye just to kind of intensify that color, and I'm just doing that all over the center of my eye, and then I'm doing the other side as well. Next, I am just blending everything together and making sure that there's no harsh lines or anything, and then I'm just taking those three colors that I used and I'm just putting that under my lash line and just blending that out. And then I'm taking some eyeliner and then some mascara by Tarte, which is my favorite eyeliner and mascara combo. Now I'm just taking some Tarte Shape Tape and I'm just cleaning up my eyeliner and making sure it's nice and sharp. Now I'm just taking these lashes by House of Lashes in the style Temptress, and I'm just applying those. Now for highlighter, I'm taking Rodeo Drive by Ofra and just highlighting my whole face. And now I'm taking my YSL lipstick in the shade 16 Nude Emblem. And yeah, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And if you're not following me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, that will be linked down below. And I hope you guys have a happy Valentine's Day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!